This video is more of an advanced technique. It's a finishing video on how I finish marble retainers. Now, the one thing that's different about this video compared to my last video, if you didn't get a chance to see it, it's basically how you do the acrylic work. You can check out the link above. I would suggest that you look at that video and then come back to this one. Now, this video in particular is more advanced. It's how I finish on a lathe, how I finish the retainer to get it going on a lathe, and then I do everything by hand with an e-cutter. A lot can go wrong when you're trimming a black and white marble retainer, any marble retainer for that fact. You can hit wires, you can get uneven thickness, you can get really ugly patterns. So this is a good video to watch. I'm not fast forwarding it. I typically have someone who's starting the finish for the first time. I make them watch this video over and over before they even pick up a handpiece. Before I even show them techniques on how to hold the handpiece, I want them to watch the video and learn how to trim acrylic and what it actually looks like in real time. Cool thing about making marble retainers is when you're trimming the acrylic, your pattern changes on every single trim. It's basically like an onion, you're peeling off layers. The dynamic of the pattern changes, so you might find something that's really, really good, and then you'll screw it up because you trim it off. So you really have to be careful. You want the retainer to be around 2 millimeters in thickness. If it's too thick, it's no good. If it's too thin, it's even worse. You'll hit wires, the retainer will crack, it won't hold up. That's what makes a designer marble retainer or tie-dyes or camouflage. It makes them so much more valuable and more expensive because there's so much work that goes into it and so many things that can go wrong. A lot of people watch my videos and give me great compliments on the marble retainer effect that I do. The one thing I need you to understand is if you're not getting this same effect by following my techniques and it looks a little blotchy, I highly suggest that you try a different brand of acrylics. I've tried different brands and sometimes I get the blotchy effect that you're probably getting, where it's just not crisp. It doesn't look like a marble, it just looks more blotchy. It's the acrylic, it's not the technician. With practice and watching my videos and showing you what I'm doing, you can learn the marble really easy if you have the right materials. Make sure you hit the like button if you like this video. Leave me a comment. I always enjoy your comments. It helps me make better videos. And stay busy, my friend.